Today we will be solving Leetcode problem number 1, that is to sum. Given an array of integer nums and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. Okay, so we are given a list of integers, and we see hint types are given over here. That nums is a list of integers, target is an integer, and we need to return a list of integers. Okay, so let's start. They have given some inputs like 2, 7, 11, 15, and target is 9. So we can clearly see if I add index 0 and 1, we can get to 9. That will be the brute force approach. We can, like, I can add, I can take this first element and add the second element and check if it is equal to the target. If yes, then I return the value of the index of the first element and the index of the second element. So there will be two loops running. So if I write it for I in range len nums, and then I'll do for j in range. Now we need to start one step ahead of I. So j cannot be equal to I, j has to be one step ahead of I, so it has to be I plus 1 to len nums, and then we check if nums I plus nums j is equal to target. If that's true, we return I comma j. Sorry, this has to go inside. Return I comma j, and let's run it and see if it does the job. No syntax error expected. Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, num is not defined. Some spelling mistakes. Okay, all 3 test cases passed. So this is one approach of doing that. Another approach of what we can think is let's make a set. Let's make a complement, and let's make a variable complement, and it's an empty set. For num in nums, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to find if there is a complement of the number in the set. Is a data structure in Python that can only hold unique values. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is I'll write it and you'll understand. For num in nums, if num target minus num in complement, but here we have a problem. How do we return the index? I need to improve the time complexity of this solution. For then I think so we should use enum for that. For I comma num in nums, if target minus num in complement, return I comma